Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Toyota CHR. First, make sure your smart key fob is inside the vehicle with you. The CHR utilizes a convenient push-button start system, so having the key fob present is essential for the car to recognize your authorization. Keep it in your pocket, purse, or a designated spot within the cabin, ensuring it is within the vehicle's detection range for a smooth start every time. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. This is a crucial safety step required before the engine will engage. Then, locate the engine start/stop button, typically found on the dashboard to the right of the steering wheel. While still holding the brake pedal down, press this button once. You should hear the engine come to life almost immediately, ready for your journey. Once you press the start button, the engine will ignite, and various indicator lights on your dashboard will illuminate briefly. These lights perform a quick system check. Pay attention to the instrument cluster to ensure no persistent warning lights remain on after a few seconds. This confirms that all essential systems are functioning correctly, and your Toyota CHR is ready for safe operation on the road. When you are ready to turn off your Toyota CHR, first bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Then, shift the gear selector into the park position. Finally, press the engine start/stop button once more. The engine will shut down and the dashboard lights will extinguish. Always ensure the vehicle is in park before turning it off to prevent any unintended movement and to secure your car properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.